Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Tutor. Today in this video, I'm going to show on how to view your email on TikTok. So let's get started. First, open your TikTok app on your mobile device. Now, at the bottom right corner, click the profile icon. After that, look for the three lines icon on the upper right side and tap into it. Tap settings and privacy. Next, tap account. Here, look for account information and click on it. Now, you can see your email on TikTok. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please do follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.